Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are giving you a tour of the tropical storm that's passing over Jamaica. Now we did a tour this morning and it wasn't raining this heavy, but it's 5 o'clock p.m. now and it is raining a lot heavier. So we're going to give you a tour now to see what's going on. Now this storm should pass over Jamaica. The main part should pass Jamaica by 7 p.m. tomorrow, Saturday. So we just have to sit it out and wait. As you can see, there's a lot of rain. Now the newer roads have good drainage, but the older roads, the drainage is terrible, so there's a lot of water on the road. But tomorrow, if we're able to, we're going to go over to St. Thomas and see what happened over there, because they got a lot of flooding. There's a lot of water on the road. So we're on Olivia Road and we're going to turn on to Constant Spring Road now. I mean, the rain has gotten so much heavier. a good thing that they closed schools today and a lot of places didn't open because it was not this bad this morning. Wow, some serious flooding is going on some of these side roads. I'm not sure. Okay, we just turned on our hazard lights. We had wanted to go down by, actually we're going to show you, but we wanted to go down by the Charlton Gully, but the road is flooded. Hanson Spring Road, which is the road we're on, is not that bad because this is a new road, but it has good drainage. Serious water is on the road.